Hey guys, Papyrus back with another episode of Dominations. Yeah, it's been a long time guys. I've been busy with my rap videos and also been busy with working hard and practicing martial arts. So you can see these pecs guys. See these hard working muscles. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So I'm playing on BlueStacks 3 now, which makes all the games I play a lot smoother. And yeah, you can see there's a new age now, the Cold War age, guys. So if you unlock this, you get all kind of presents, and you need player level 220 to, and also 13 million. So that's quite a lot, guys. This game is so time consuming. It's also a reason why I stopped playing, but yeah, I got a lot of love from you guys, and you guys are always asking me to make more Dominations videos. So I was like, why not continue to play a bit casual? And yeah, this Cold War age also have a new troop, and this is the assault vehicle, and it's a kind of combinations between the tank and the artillery. So it does 3 times damage against tanks, buildings, and walls. And it has a lot of damage and a lot of hit points, guys. And yeah, I think it's quite a nice unit. Let me check the top players, guys, whether they actually using this. So you can see Loonies again, guys. He's only gunpowder age, but he is top 2 again. So yeah, he found a way to cheat the system and actually be a top player without having a really nice age. So yeah, props to him. I'm really laughing at that, guys. Yeah, I think the top players, they really have to be online a lot. So let's check their base, guys. Whoa, this looks nice. I don't know if these tanks, I don't know even what are these tanks. But that's the recruitment pad. So I cannot see from this player. Anyways, I think that's a really good unit, and a lot of good players will use it. So yeah, I've been also doing researches, guys, on the university, because I want to complete them first. I want to stay in this atomic age to complete all these researches here. So there's a new guy here, Moctezuma, so I also started researching him. And there will be another girl soon. But yeah, let's head into battle, guys. Let's finish the troops. I'm still using the same army, guys. Using the same army as before. And yeah, I had a lot of fun with it. I think this army is really good, especially because I think my army is max except for the supply truck, but I'm using 2 supply trucks to yeah, keep my army alive, so I could do more rage. This guy is way too high level. Let's find an easy opponent, guys, because I don't have my blessings up, so I cannot go for a challenge. Because I just logged in, and also all my, how do you call it, special resources, like cider and stuff like that, they were gone. So yeah, this is nice loot, nice gold, but let's just find a good opponent, guys, an easy one. I hope it can be a global age with not so high level. Okay, yeah, why not? Let's just try. Let's see how far we get with this base. He is higher level than me, but I don't know. We can have a try at this base. My army is quite good, so I also only have 1 blessing. So this is a bit of pity. I was just playing this game a while, guys, to get enough resources to start all these resources again. So, whoa, what was that? There was some kind of missile dropped at my army and dropped really a lot of soldiers. So I don't even know what is that, guys. There it was again. Oh, this is this. Is that a special trap? See? Again it happened. It's not a mortar. Because a mortar missile is going really slow, but yeah, at least I will have a victory here, guys. It didn't go as planned. Because I think it's this building. Yeah, it's this building, guys. There's a kind of building with a missile launcher. I think it's from an event or something. And that really fucked me over. So, but I got some loot and I got a victory. So it's all good, guys. It's all good and well. Yeah, woo! Dominations, back at Dominations. Been a long time. So... I don't have enough food to retrain my army. So it's not... Oh. Let's build one guy, so at least I can claim my prize, guys. This is also weird. I want to claim my prize, but when I click battle, they say I need troops first. So when I train my first troops, then I'll see if there are some food. Yeah, there's some food, so if I click this. Yeah, guys. I managed to get the food to retrain my army. So yeah, you see at this level getting resources is quite tough. And I still have 2 million gold. So let's see if I can still do a research. Yep. Bam. I just click something randomly, guys, because I want to finish all of these researches. So I also thought maybe it's smart to really just upgrade the cheapest thing, because then at least your workers are busy. So in the long run, it will be very beneficial, guys.